सीटी बजाते
उनके नकल डस्टर्स अपने देखे?
नहीं, वो देख नहीं पाया था।
फैंटम का दूसरा हाथ।
सवाल ये कि आपसे भी है और एकता से भी है कि शादी से पहले के इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं, अगर एकता शेयर करना चाहे और आप शेयर करना चाहें। बाद के इफेक्ट्स तो फिल्म में देखेंगे हम।
पहले यही लगता है कि क्या होगा शादी के बाद। यू कीप वंडरिंग, यू कीप होपिंग कि कभी मेरी शादी हो। और शादी के बाद लगता है कि मैंने जल्दी तो नहीं कर दी। मजाक कर रही हूँ, प्लीज ये टीवी पर मत दिखाना।
एकता, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी शादी से पहले के इफेक्ट्स?
मेरे को सिर्फ पहले के पता है।
वही वाले।
So पहले के इफेक्ट्स हैं कि I'm learning from Vidya, she just got married and she tells me that it's a good thing. So maybe after 5 years, if she yet believes that, I'll get into it.
तो वो आप मानती हैं 5 साल लगेंगे अभी हमें खुशखबरी सुनने में?
अरे मेरी शादी आपके लिए खुशखबरी क्यों है? 3 things I've learned from Vidya. Vidya, teach me some 3 things. She will just.
I'll tell you what the 3 things are. Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment.
Oh, I have a question for you guys, Farhan and Vidya both. Now this is you've attended comedy with a little bit with Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara as well. And it's the great pairing along with comedy. How has that been? Like, has the comedy come naturally, like borrowing instances from your own marriage? How has it been? How much did Saket help you out with?
No, I'm not to sound too academic about things, but you draw everything from the script, and then you draw it from the atmosphere and environment that's created on set. And you want to feel good about every scene that you're doing, so there's a certain discussion that happens before. You don't want to really over-rehearse comedy, because that can really take away from being in the moment. But it really is, it's a very smartly written script and a very wittily written, or the dialogues are very, very witty. So, I mean, just kudos to the writers and to Saket for it.
Any other questions, guys?
Farhan, you're so witty and funny and spontaneous as we just saw now. Does that help you when you're having fights at home and you've got into trouble at home? Like, you just crack a joke and everything's forgiven?
Constantly.
Yeah.
And I must add here that I'm amazed by his timing. On set, there were times when obviously I'd start laughing at the most inappropriate time, much to, Saket's.
Yeah, we'd break for lunch and come back, and she'd still be sitting and laughing. We'd be like,
credit or
go just come back in a couple of hours. I'll just go have a
Credit
meeting
for that
inside
goes
the
to
group.
Farhan.
Hi guys, one final question. No, sorry. Can we keep the question related to the trailer, please?
हाँ, काफी लोग हैं जो छुट्टियां मतलब वो कर रहे हैं कि वो टाइम बुक कर रहे हैं कि जिस समय वो मैच होगा, लास्ट फाइनल मैच होगा, उस पे वो अपनी छुट्टी ले लेंगे प्रोड्यूसर से, डायरेक्टर से। तो क्या आप लोगों ने अपना ऐसा कोई टाइम बुक किया है या ऐसा कुछ सोच रहे हैं?
Very honestly, I am a Sachin fan, but I'm not a cricket fan. And I'm going to be in Hyderabad, Bobby Jasus के shooting के लिए. तो मैं यहाँ रहूंगी नहीं, पर टीवी पे देखूंगी जितना देख सकूं.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
फरहान का रिएक्शन और दिवाली की विश. फरहान का रिएक्शन, दिवाली की विश.
Happy Diwali in advance.
फरहान हैप्पी दिवाली बोल दीजिए. माइक एकता के हाथ में.
Hi, happy Diwali to everybody watching.
Hello.
यार मेरे मनु कहंदे चीस्ता शेर साधन के था जीता यार मेरे I should catch you. Everything you did made me even wanna sweat you. Shaking that thing every time you go by, make a brother wanna ooh ah, baby you're mine. Now I just believe that I made you my wife. Got myself in this strife, maybe I'm Jack for life. Jack is side effects, so I'm special effects. If I gotta get the book of my life, I better look. Everything I said, I'm ready to take it back. I'ma let my homeboy now sing it out to you. मेरा कमरा जद सी खाली, रोज गाउँदा रहा कव्वाली. मेरा कमरा जद सी खाली, रोज गाउँदा रहा कव्वाली. एक हाथ से ही बजती थी, कितने ताल में मेरी ताली. अब गली सुनती है सारी, चोरियों सा छाया है. उसने घर विच आके तेरा ऐसा बैंड बजाया कि मुझ पे हंसता है मेरा साया. बाबा मैं प्यार करके, बाबा मैं प्यार करके पछताया. बाबा मैं प्यार करके, बाबा मैं प्यार करके पछताया. बाबा मैं प्यार करके, बाबा मैं प्यार करके What? Just move it.
So it's always on, they're always thinking. Men on the other hand, women, tell me if you guys agree with me. Their switch is never on. It's never on. Almost mein zang lag gaya almost. It's never used. There is no switch. Exactly, even better. Right? Guys, do you have anything to say to that? मतलब please यार क्या कर रहे हो? सब फोन पर बात करें यहाँ पर. Guys, you'll be fined 150 rupees, okay, if you take your phone out. Thus, exactly. Why do you think the switch is on? It's on for like 2-3 times in a year, right? Kabhi politics, kabhi sport, kabhi Sunny Leon, that's it, and then it's off again. Exactly. Akhtar! Oh, sorry, it's this side.
शेर सागल के थाली का या मेरे मैनू कहंदे चीसा आंसू बनवा लगदी है जो कदे लगदी सी सीचा अपने घर में कैद
All right, and now representing the female contingent, not Farhan, Vidya. All right, put our hands together. Please welcome on stage Vidya Balan.
बाबा मैं प्यार करके पछताया बाबा मैं प्यार करके बाबा मैं प्यार करके पछताया
All right, guys, we'll have time for that. 1 second, please. Okay. Good evening, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you one thing. I'm going to ask you, the first question I'm going to ask you is, you'll be asked this 15,000 times after today, but I'm the first one, so I get... Achha, gir jaunga. Okay, I'll come ahead. Okay, so there's been a big buzz about this casting, about this pairing throughout social media. How is it working with Vidya?
Well, good evening everyone. ये सवाल मुझसे काफ़ी बार पहले भी पूछा गया है. बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि सारे लोग जानते हैं कि विद्या इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड एक्टर. तो आई हैव हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम वर्किंग विथ हर बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज look to work with people who are good at what they do. She's also paid me to say all this. So, am I doing good so far? Okay. All right. So, yeah, she was amazing.
We'll talk.
No, yeah, it was an amazing time. Thank you. I regret it.
Thank you.
Vidya, what do you think?
Hi everyone. It says Mr. Oh, Miss Always Right, Mr. Always Right. Okay. It was wonderful working with Farhan. I must say that, of course, I knew his work. I'd watched his films and all of that. But I was very happy I watched Bhag Milkha after our shoot was over. Because I couldn't have gone back on set after having watched that film. I couldn't have performed with him after that film. But
Knowing that's under the shirt.
no, it was fabulous. And what I enjoy most about him is that he's a fellow Capricornian. And we have many Capricornians in this film, Mr. Nandi. Yeah, what more do you want me to say about
No,
that?
nothing. We're going to go straight into the trailer. Are you guys excited to watch the trailer? Yes? No, some more. Are you guys excited to watch the trailer? Yes? Awesome. Before we go through the trailer, Farhan, do you have any word of advice for the male contingent here before they watch the trailer?
हाँ एक I have got one piece of advice which is something that I learned from this film. There's a wonderful mantra that Saket and the writers have put, which I completely agree with. वो ये है कि जब मैं गलती करता हूँ अपनी शादी में तो मैं सॉरी कहता हूँ और जब मेरी बीवी गलती करती है तब भी मैं ही सॉरी कहता हूँ. So I think that's a very good mantra.
I like
Great
this.
way to ensure a long and fruitful
मैं
happy
कुछ कहूँ?
relationship for all concerned.
मैं कुछ कहूँ? गलती का एहसास होना बहुत जरूरी है and here you get 100 marks.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so guys, are you guys excited for the trailer? Yes? Alright, give me out the trailer, please.
I've tried my
सही
best to
गलत
come up with
साइड
an
को तो
answer.
छोड़ो, तुम लोग कभी टावल सही जगह नहीं रखते, क्यों? Do you women agree? कभी बेड पे, कभी ट्रेडमिल पे, कभी यहाँ वहाँ, ना सिर्फ तौलिया, सब कुछ गीला हो जाता है.
बात यह है कि जहाँ हम रखते हैं वो जगह सही हो जाती है.
फिलहाल तो आप गलत जगह है.
अच्छा, ये
You have to come this side.
Sorry.
wow, method acting. The fight is still on.
No, this is my side.
Oh, yes, that's yours.
Tug of war.
How are you guys feeling? She's taking it so seriously. None of you guys are taking it seriously. Come on, give it up for Vidya, guys. Come on.
We always give the men a long rope.
Alright, guys. Now the media is open to ask questions. Just to continue with the theme, we request all the female reporters to direct their questions towards all the men, and all the male reporters to direct all the questions towards the women. Yes.
It's a sexist platform. If you haven't noticed.
Questions?
Wow, very interesting question. And this is a movie, and in my real life, I think I should completely avoid answering your question. Well, it is a philosophy that works for some and doesn't work for others. It doesn't work for me in my personal life. It doesn't.
Thank you.
Next.
Why do you think that is?
I don't know. I've been married for over 12 years now, so it's a bit late to ask me this question. But I don't know. It's an individual thing. How can I comment on what we can have such judgmental opinions on people?
Maybe they don't want to know when the partner is lying.
I request you to please keep the questions directed towards the trailer and the film. Next.
आप देख ही रहे हैं. आपको ये बेहतरीन लगा? तो यही है साइड इफेक्ट्स. यही है शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स, एंड आई थिंक इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन.
यही प्रॉब्लम मुझे सीधे सीधे जवाब नहीं देते कभी. नोटिस क्या?
इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन ऑल द टाइम. शादी के बाद वही होता है, आप हमेशा जीतते हैं. हम हमेशा जीतते हैं.